Good morning, friends! Happy Vlogmas Day 23. It is Saturday and it's freezing rain right now, so I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but I've had my cup of coffee. I made myself 2 shots, which is a lot, but anyway, we'll see what I do today. This is what we're working with. Hobbs, what's wrong? Hey guys, just did another home workout. I'm like so sweaty. I did it in this tiny room and I was able to be super effective. Nothing like a nice post-workout play session with the dog. I got it. All right. Sit, paw, stay, paw, Hobbs, paw. Good boy, down. Bang. Roll over. No, roll over. Good boy, go get it. Just chilling on the ground now after a nice workout. Hey, buddy. Where's the ball? Where'd it go?